Hello everyone, we're here today at our newest listing. This is Jessie Penaka with Timber and Rose Realty Group, and we are at the fabulous Portland, Oregon at 620 Northwest Naito Parkway, Unit B10 in Portland. So we've got a great waterfront condo, and you can see it's really close to downtown. And then as we come inside, we've got a great open flow floor plan here. Wonderful kitchen, all appliances are included. And then as you come on in here, this is a great open floor plan, as I said, where you can, be doing cooking and cleaning the kitchen. You can have friends stay over. There's a breakfast nook area. And also there's a cute little desk area since we're mostly working from home these days. That's a perfect little spot to set up your computer. Got a nice area for a good four-person, and even extending if you wanted to, dining, and then a living room. And the living room then goes out to a private balcony. Nice private balcony out here. You can barbecue or just sit out and enjoy the beautiful sun. See the river and across the river. Come on in and we'll go on upstairs. It is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 950 square feet altogether. This is your second bedroom. Nice sized closets. Just good overall space. You've got a river view from this window as well. And then as we walk on down the hallway, you've got stackable washer and dryer. Good little spot for it. You've got the restroom, bathroom, a full bath, and then your master bedroom on the other side of the hall. Good sized closets in this room as well. There you go, we've got built-ins in the closets. Make organization a little easier. All right, so that's our listing, our newest listing on the waterfront. It's super close walking to downtown, restaurants, shops. There's a 15-mile walk along the river. You can walk or run every single day. It's just a perfect spot. So come on and join us. We'll be having an open house Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 3, so we hope to see you there. Thanks so much.